Okay guys, so to make sure that the plane will fly well, you can increase the width of the wings. So the span width may be a little bit bigger. If it's so small, the plane may not fly. So adjust it. Make sure that you create the elevators at the end of the wings. Stabilizers need to be even, and hold the plane right here, thread up at 30 to 45 degrees. Check it out. Awesome, right? So let me go to pick it up. Okay, hold the plane up and throw it at 30 degrees now. Wow, awesome. Okay, you hold up again and throw it over there. Wow, wow. So now I can flatten the elevators a little bit. Since it's fly up too much, let's flatten it down a little bit and throw it straight. What else you can tell me about this plane? This plane very far. Let me pick it up. Let's fly a little bit more to the left. That's why I will make a little bit more on the right to help balance the wings. Adjust the head of the plane as well and throw it. Wow, wow, it's fly very high and far. Hello everybody, welcome to TriKdanG channel. Are you excited to make a new paper airplane? If you say yes, like the video, share the tutorial with your friends and subscribe. To make the paper airplane, you need a piece of your letter size paper. If you don't have your letter size paper, use A4 paper and it should work too. Just a little bit tweaking, the plane will fly. Now let's start. First of all, let's fold the paper in half this way. Alright, so fold it in half. Make sure that our edges are lined up. So I press that paper on this side first. Okay. And I will adjust on this side too. And I will press the paper. Okay. On the following step, let's start from this upper edge. Let's fold this upper layer and the edge up here to the other edge. So just basically fold like this. Okay. Next step, let's start from this upper edge, let's fold to this edge. Now let's flip the paper over and repeat the same fold. Flip it over, start from this upper edge, fold to this edge. Repeat the same fold as the other side. Start from this up edge, fold to this edge. Okay, it looks very simple, right? Now let's unfold the paper. This is what we have. We have a traditional shape of the paper airplane. And now it's overlapped. Let's adjust it a little bit. Okay. So I will fold out a little bit. Same thing for this side. I will adjust it just a little bit. Okay, Now we have the paper airplane. Let's start from this tip for straight to this bottom edge. On the following step, let's do it this way. Start from this tip first straight to the upper edge. Okay. That's fine. Now let's turn the paper over. Start from this upper edge forward to the center crease. And repeat the same for the opposite side. Rest of the paper. Okay, so this is what you have, and you have this part of the paper. Now let's pull it up a little bit. Okay. On the following step, I will start from this part of the paper. You can see this part right here. As there's a crease, so I fold inward and I fold backward like this. See? Now I have this part of the paper look like this. Now let's fold this part of the paper to match this edge to this edge. And repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Okay. We have layer over layer over layer. And fold this one back. Okay. So this is what we have so far for the plan. We have this part of the paper is popping up. This is fine. Okay. On the following step, let's fold the paper in half like this. Okay. When you fold the paper in half like this, you have like a mouse. Right here, this part. We have two different parts here. Okay. Now I start from this edge and forward to the other edge to create the wing. Flip the paper over. Do the same step. Careful because you may break the tip of the blend. Okay. Now unfold the paper. Here you go, guys. This is a new paper airplane. It's a two heads, one on the top and one on the bottom. I would say it's a dual head. And this is a very nice engines right here. Okay, make sure that the plane will fly. Let's curve the end of the wings up just a little bit. And here you go, guys. This is a new paper airplane. I hope you guys enjoyed making this plane. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe. Let's test it out by yourself now. See you later.